Hey love bugs, do I look a little bit different? Of course I do. And I decided to go completely short. Okay, love bugs, the cat is out of the bag. The pixie cut like this is definitely the trend all over social media. And I finally bit the bullet. Okay, so maybe I didn't necessarily go short. Maybe this is just a little temporary, little something something. Today I teamed up with IDefinewig. They sent me over this beautiful pixie. And I think I wear her well. Do you think I should do a big chop and go pixie? Yes or no? Leave it in the comments down below. But while we practice, this beautiful girl again comes from IDefinewig, and this is literally a 3-second wear, put on and go glueless wig. She has no lace, so you don't have to worry about melting in the heat or even just having to maintain. This one comes with a beautiful bang, the beautiful cut. It literally comes just like this. From the cut, the curl, everything is done for you. I literally put her on and I gave this, so I went like this, and it gave customized, perfect for my head. As I begin to try to style her up and just do different things just to play with her, I realized none of that was necessary at all. This is literally the epitome of put her on and go. You don't even gotta brush it. Just literally do one of these real quick and you are good to go. So for specs, this is a wavy texture, 6 inches in length. Literally, I think the shortest wig I've ever worn in my life. She's 180% density, so this girl is definitely nice and full all the way around. And she's gorgeous, nice, full, and you can have so much fun with her. Again, the pixie has literally been what I've been seeing on the timeline. Everybody's doing a big chop and just refreshing the whole vibe, and this gives me a taste of what I would look like without the commitment. So I'm gonna have this beautiful girl linked in the description box with all of the details on mine. You can use coupon code Ashley15 at checkout for a little savings. You know, everybody can save a little coin, especially nowadays. And without further ado, let's get into the install.
Kids running around while I'm laying his hair. Edges on point with a little mama flair. Life's a whole movie, every scene on deck. Beauty and motherhood with Ashley Bedeck. We glow through the highs, laugh through the mess. Wavy is family, a little finesse. Living every moment, come vibe, no stress. Hit subscribe and ride with the best. Ashley Bedeck. Ashley Bedeck, you remember the name. Wife, mom, influencer, building my lane. Wake up, camera on, it's another busy day. Cooking in the kitchen, hair bundles on the way. For a flight while I motivate and pray. Ooh, Tigi dripping, yeah, the fit stay clean. Ashley Bedeck, living every mama dream. Mom life, boss life, vlog life too. Everybody watching what Ashley gon' do. Cook, hustle, travel, yeah, that's the move. Pretty paid, positive. Ashley Bedeck, yeah, remember the name. Wife, mom, influencer. Good on my lane, wake up, camera on. It's another busy day. Cooking in the kitchen, hair bundles on the way. Packing for a flight while I motivate and pray. OTD dripping, she keep diamond Dakota and diamond it clean. Ashley Bedeck, living every mama dream. Mom life, boss life, vlog life too. Everybody watching what Ashley gon' do. Cook, hustle, travel, yeah, that's the move. Pretty pay positive, and the kids stay cute.
Okay, love bugs, we are finished with this look, and I feel like I keep trying to zhuzh it because I want to give you guys some like content, some tutorial to it, but this is literally a put on and go wig. There's literally no work needed. I feel like even when I was trying to go ahead and like curl it or style it, I was making it worse instead of better. So we're back to greatness. I feel like you could use like that, what is it called, like spizike type of thing, like once it gets old, to like, you know, you play with them. I've never had a pixie this short before, so I most certainly have not mastered how to curl or restyle this when it's time for like a fresher or a restyle on it. I feel like there's many, but when you receive it, you literally have nothing to do, no work. Put it on. I mean, you can go in and play with it and like, you know, like brush it out, zhuzh it, but that's literally all you need to do. And to be honest, I feel like when I brushed it out, I kind of like left out some of the curls and it made it my own a little bit, and I love that. I mean, something you can do if you just want to do a little something is you can take your favorite serum and just kind of like scrunch it in, give it a little shine, you know, tame any frizz if that's your thing. I like mine a little bit more fluffy and frizz. And then also I like to go ahead and make sure that the comb at the back is all the way as low or down as I can, and like hook it into my hair. That way it can hang or sit really low and cover up as much of my natural nape as possible. Because as far as like being able to see the nape, you definitely want to make sure you're covering your kitchen, if you will, and if you have to go in and like gel or like wax your hair down, just to make sure that it's not showing like your little beads, your kitchen or what have you. Also, something I did do that did actually work in my favor is I feel like with a short style like this is the perfect hot tool to use. Now you don't have to have it too high with the wig like this, and I like to just take and go in and just snip the end and just bump it so that it can kind of like hug the nape from like here all the way around. I'll be able to do this a little bit better by taking the wig off, putting it on a wig head and kind of just manipulating it you know, as need be, and just going all the way around to make sure again it's kind of like hugging that nape really nicely and giving that really nice natural salon effect. And then anything else, like since the hair is one size fits most, you'll have hairs that like cover your ears or like sit over or overlap your ears. I personally feel like it makes it more natural when anything that's going over, for example, this is how the wig looks right now. I feel like it gives more of that personalized effect just to simply do the step where you just tuck anything that overlaps the ear behind the ear, and then anything that's in front of the ear kind of like bring it forward, almost like a bang or like a sideburn on the side, and that just makes it personalized and feel like it's naturally cut, you know, to your face, your ears, your head, and you without even having to customize or cut anything. So same thing on this side. This is how the wig sits naturally, and again, there's nothing wrong with that, but for that tapered, really nice salon custom effect, just tuck anything that sits on top of the ear behind, and it looks like your stylist went ahead and just tailored yours to your head without even doing it. And then everything that sits in front of it kind of goes with that sideburn vibe. And yeah, this one is a vibe. It's a really nice style. I like it for a cute little switch up. I'm in that phase where it's like dress your wigs to match like your outfit, your style, your vibe. As we are in the dead middle, smack dab in the middle of summer, I'm actually starting now to like build my fall and winter wardrobe. I didn't really go too crazy because we've really been in the house the entire summer, but I'm planning on, you know, doing a bunch of events and having a bunch of fun in fall and winter, and just bringing out a wig like this for a specific look or season or vibe. It's kind of what I like, where this may not be my perfect like everyday year-round look, but like this can be the fall vibe and aesthetic with the boots, the beanies, the thigh, you know, the sweaters, the chunky scarves, and all of the things. I think I can work it, and it definitely is a fun little switch up. It shows your versatility, that you don't have to just stick to the bust down middle part that everybody loves. You can be different and express yourself through your hair, and this is a way that you can do without having to cut your hair or make any permanent decisions. So I know it's very different and it's not for everyone, but it definitely is for like everyone in a specific season, if that makes sense. Like you may not be into this right now at 18 or 19 years old, but at 25 or for a season you might want to switch it up and have some fun. So if you're interested, I will have a direct link to this beautiful girl. I have my length and all the things down below. Also, I've done a couple of videos with IDefinewig before, so also check my channel for all of the videos that I've done with them. Mainly shortcuts. They mainly specialize in the shorter cuts, so you'll be able to find different options with bobs, a little bit more length, a little bit more pixie and around, and a little bit of color, just a variety, you know. So this just goes into my repertoire and shows again just some fun versatility. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Also, you can let me know how to maintain a wig like this, since I'm very new to the shorter cut, and I am gonna head out. So I will have a link down below as I mentioned. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.